In this tutorial, we'll be covering JumpCloud's Directory Insights within the JumpCloud Admin Console to quickly see events across your directory. To start, log into the JumpCloud Admin Console. Once Directory Insights has been enabled for your organization, you'll see the Insights tab on the left. If you haven't enabled Directory Insights as an add-on feature, please contact us for help. By clicking Insights, you'll see all event data for your organization. This is a great way to see event logging in one central location, especially if you need to reference data for audits or troubleshooting. The bar chart displays event trends by time range to help you analyze patterns and spikes. You can start broad and then dig in by clicking individual bar segments. If you're using Directory Insights to troubleshoot a specific event or to present data over a certain period of time for an audit, use the time range feature to narrow your results. Remember, Directory Insights retains the last 90 days worth of data. Quick View eliminates the learning curve for filters and columns. Quick View offers preset filter and column combinations for frequently used scenarios in the activity log. Click a filter template to quickly filter event data below. You can also customize your own view by using the drop-down menus and selecting the data you'd like to filter. By default, the activity log will display columns for timestamp, event type, result, initiated by, and client IP. You can add or remove any of the data columns by using the drop-down on the right. In order to see details for a given event, simply click the event to expand. You'll see a summary of the event data, and the same information is also provided in JSON, which you can see here. Click the event again to minimize. We know exporting this data is especially important for compliance audits. For that reason, you can click to export your selected data in multiple formats, CSV and JSON. When exporting, JumpCloud will include all data fields, not just the columns you've selected, to make sure you have the most accurate and comprehensive data for your directory. This completes the tutorial for Directory Insights within the JumpCloud Admin Console. For additional information, please check out our related knowledge base articles or reach out to support@jumpcloud.com.